Imagine waking up to the enticing aroma of freshly brewed coffee without even getting out of bed. Today, with the best technology, this dream becomes a reality. Follow us. Hamilton Beach works with Alexa Smart Coffee Maker, the perfect companion for coffee lovers who want a seamless brewing experience.
Alexa, turn on my coffee maker.
Thanks to its Works with Alexa certification, you can now control your coffee maker using the Alexa app or any Alexa-enabled smart speaker. Simply ask Alexa to start brewing, change the brew strength, or even turn off the coffee maker, all with the sound of your voice. But it doesn't stop there. The Hamilton Beach Smart Coffee Maker allows you to create customized routines in the Alexa app. Want your coffee ready every morning when you wake up? Just program it using routines. Convenience is key, and this coffee maker delivers. With its front-fill water reservoir, you can easily add water without moving the coffee maker. Just flip the lid up and pour. And when it comes to adding coffee, the swing-out brew basket makes it a breeze. No more fumbling or spills, just smooth and effortless brewing. Maintaining the perfect cup of coffee is essential. That's why the Hamilton Beach Smart Coffee Maker features a cleaning cycle reminder. It will let you know when it's time to clean, ensuring your coffee always tastes its best. Peace of mind is also part of the package. The coffee maker automatically shuts off 2 hours after brewing, but if you ever forget, you can simply say, "Alexa, turn off my coffee maker," or use the Alexa app on your phone. Artificial intelligence and making coffee. This is exciting, isn't it? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting product videos. Cheers to the perfect cup of coffee with Hamilton Beach Works with Alexa Smart Coffee Maker. Goodbye.